Once again, we have a number of SHIB updates for you in this video, but probably the biggest has to do with Nasdaq. You will not believe what Nasdaq just posted about Shiba Inu. This is the case where hearing is believing, and in this video, you'll get all the information you need on this issue. So make sure to keep watching this video. Disclaimer. Hey there, SHIB Army, and thank you for joining in once again. If you're new to the channel, you're more than welcome here. You've found the right place to get all the latest SHIB updates as they come. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when I post a new video, which, by the way, is every day. Now let's get into today's video. Going straight into what Nasdaq had to say about SHIB, I believe that all of us are aware of SHIB's incredible and unbelievable price surge of 2021. In fact, in the wake of the crypto crash that has been happening this year, we've had to rehash SHIB's incredible success of last year so often that anyone who was not aware of it before is now very familiar with it. So it isn't unexpected that Nasdaq started its article on SHIB with this information. Moving on from talking about SHIB's past successes, Nasdaq correctly mentioned that SHIB's price is quite low right now and in need of a boost. And according to them, there are two major catalysts that could see to this price boost. One is the Layer 2 scaling solution Shibarium, which is in development, and the other is Shib, the metaverse, which has already been launched. As you already know, the idea behind Shiba Inu creating its Layer 2 solution is to be able to circumvent the issues that come with transacting on Ethereum. So the launch of Shibarium is meant to make Shiba Inu transactions quicker and less expensive, even with a higher transaction volume. If SHIB is able to achieve this, you can see how it could become more attractive to potential investors. Plus, it could also attract developers who are looking for where to build their dApps. The metaverse, on the other hand, is Shiba Inu's own foray into the Web3 metaverse. Being one of the first entities to secure a space and what experts are saying will soon become a crucial part of our existence is a great way for Shiba Inu to assert itself as more than just a token. And in addition to that, it has sold lands, inviting anybody and everybody to contribute to the growth of its metaverse. Now, in addition to all the many ways that the already launched metaverse and soon-to-be-launched Shibarium have and can contribute to the pump of Shiba's price, one significant thing that they have in common is SHIB burn. The metaverse has mechanisms built into it that allow for SHIB burns, and even though Shibarium isn't yet launched, the dev team has mentioned a number of times that SHIB burns will be possible via the platform. In fact, that's one of the things that SHIB Army is looking forward to. All of that being true, Nasdaq still wonders whether it would be enough to send SHIB's price skyrocketing, and Nasdaq doesn't seem to be on SHIB's side with this. Here's something that was said. Now, let's look at the math perspective. Today, if Shiba Inu tokens were worth 1 cent, the cryptocurrency would boast a market value of $5.4 trillion. That's 5 times more than the entire cryptocurrency market. The market recently fell to below $1 trillion for the first time since early last year. Token burns could help Shiba Inu, but to bring supply down to even 999 billion tokens, you would have to burn 99% of today's supply. Now, of course, it would be ignorant to say that Nasdaq doesn't have a point. A lot of burns have to happen for the price of SHIB to have any hope of pumping. However, something we shouldn't forget is that more than 50% of SHIB has been burned already. If we've come that far, what's saying that we can't go even further? The launch of Shibarium would provide more opportunity for burns, which could spike the rate. Of course, burning enough for a price spike could take some time. However, a lot of people are here for the long run. Most of those who were around for the short run have sold off their tokens at a loss considering the current state of the market. Those who are in it for the long run have continued to wait, with some even buying more. So yeah, it might take some time, but most good things do. That said, I must mention at this point that I'm not giving financial advice. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions. Anyway, something that you want to consider in all of this is how big Ethereum whales have continued to buy lump sums of the SHIB regardless of how badly the crypto market is doing right now. In fact, Shiba Inu happens to be one of the largest holdings by these Ethereum whales, showing that they're not just purchasing, they're also holding. According to experts, one of the reasons that SHIB is so popular among the Ethereum whales is because of the significant returns that it promises. The token is one of the cheapest in the crypto market right now, so for a few dollars, you can get yourself a lot of SHIB tokens. This way, when the price of the token pumps, the buyer would have to make a significant profit for a few dollars. This is what happened last year, and it could very well happen again. And it's not just whales that are seeing this potential, but before we get into that, this channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 Shib. For a chance to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. #Shiba Inu. Good luck! Apparently, 40,000 new holders have joined the Shiba Inu community. That is, even in the midst of this crypto crisis, 40,000 new holders, not just whales, have decided that purchasing Shib is a great idea. Bear in mind that these are new holders and not just old holders purchasing more tokens. That's really something, don't you think? Speaking on why this is, FX Street writes that, as Shiba Inu tokens continue to be burned, meaning there is a reduction in the circulating supply, it has fueled a bullish sentiment among investors and demand for the token is supplemented. New Shib Army members have scooped up Shiba Inu through the recent dip. Moving on from all of that, here's some good news for you. Leash lock rewards have finally been released. Remember that the Shiba Inu team mentioned a couple of weeks ago that the leash lock rewards would be released after every locker's period had elapsed. Well, that time has finally come, and SHIBASWAP made the announcement on its Twitter page recently. Here's what it reads. #SHIBASWAP update. Locked rewards in the archived section have been released. All claimable with one button. Head to the WOOF page for the archives. Also coming up, but still in the process, are the Burn Portal rewards and the Fix to the Ryoshi Vision rewards for staking XSHIB. So, if you've yet to claim your locked rewards, what are you waiting for? Now, on to some crypto news. Jim Cramer, TV personality and crypto investor, just predicted that Bitcoin could dip to as low as $12,000 soon. He went as far as saying that crypto enthusiasts should just get ready for a big fall. He has termed this the pre-fiasco level. CoinQuora records that Joe Kernan, the host of CNBC's Squawk Box, had invited Jim Cramer onto the show to chat about Bitcoin and conventional markets. Kernan asked Cramer about his views on Bitcoin's price drop and the potential future of the controversial currency. When asked if Bitcoin would fall 50% or 100%, Kernan replied saying, "I think it goes to 12,000. Bitcoin is currently below $20,000, which is about 3% down from what it was 24 hours before. Knowing this, do you agree with Cramer that Bitcoin could actually dip to as low as $12,000? Please tell us in the comment section. One more thing before we call it a day here. Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary has been buying the dip on both Bitcoin and Ether. In an exclusive interview with Insider, he mentioned how the current crypto winter could be good for the crypto market, weeding out less than favorable tokens and allowing the real ones to come out stronger. He also mentioned that he has no intentions of selling anything. He believes that volatility is a part of the crypto market, so every investor should be used to it and even expect it. Granted, some investments would end up being fails, but some won't, and there's really no way to know unless you keep holding. That said, none of this is financial advice. Make sure to do your own research before coming to any financial conclusion. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there. If you're a true Shiba Inu fan, then you must check out this video.